Maryland man, a real
Jamaican
Yarddie for
Association of
real.
Maryland. This is Wes More, the Democratic nominee to become Maryland's next governor. And I'm so proud to stand with the diverse and dynamic communities that make up the great state of Maryland. But I have to tell you, I'm specifically and particularly proud to stand with the Jamaican Association of Maryland because, yes, I am a very, very proud Yarddie. Today, every day, I'm very, very proud of my history, my culture, where I came from, and the fact that that proudly runs through me. In fact, let me go ahead and pop on my Jamaican flag right here with my Maryland flag. All right, there we go. There we go. Now it's perfect. My mother was born in Jamaica, and I come from a very proud Jamaican family. Very proud of that heritage. She was born down in Low River, and I have family who are in Sav. I have family who are in Ochi. I have family who are in Kingston. Much of my family is also in Westmoreland, which much of my family finds funny that my mother then came to the United States and married someone named Wes More. But it is my joy to be able to address all of you in a true celebration of Jamaica's 60th year of independence, knowing that the first 60 were great. The next 60, look out. And I'm also here and very deeply thankful to congratulate my dear, dear friend and guide, Senator Shirley Nathan Pulliam, on receiving the Living Legend Award. And I could not think of a more appropriate title for a more appropriate award from my dear friend. And also, congratulations to Dr. Buchanan on receiving the Marcus Garvey Award. I'm so grateful to be part of this community. I'm so grateful for your work, for the commitment to our communities, to all of our families, to all of our children. And I am running for governor to make Maryland a place that lives up to the principle ingrained in me when I led soldiers in combat in the U.S. Army. Leave no one behind. Together, we can meet this moment, and we can make those words the new mission for the state of Maryland. And I look forward to partnering with you for the next decade, for the next 60 years, and beyond. Blessings. Thank you. Bless up. And I appreciate all of you. Thank you.